In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Chipotle gift card. First, decide how you want to buy it. You have two simple choices. If you prefer something you can hold, go in-store for a physical card. If you want speed or you're gifting from a distance, buy online. Online gives you two formats: any gift card that arrives by email, or a physical card that's ordered on the website and mailed to a street address. Think about how quickly you need it and how the recipient likes to receive gifts. Next, head to the official place to make your purchase. If you're out and about, walk into a Chipotle location and look for the gift card display near the register. If you're on your phone or computer, visit the Chipotle website and navigate to the gift card section. Sticking with the official page or an actual store helps you avoid confusion and ensures the card will work without any issues. Once you're in the right spot, choose the type of gift card. Online, you'll see the option for an e-gift card or a physical card shipped by mail. The e-gift card is ideal for instant delivery. The mailed card is great if you want something to wrap or include in a greeting card, but it requires shipping time. Now choose the amount. Common denominations include 5, 10, 25, 50, and $100. Many online options also let you set a custom amount, often up to $250 or more. Pick an amount that covers what you have in mind, maybe a few meals, and remember that a little extra can give the recipient flexibility. If you're buying online, add the details. You can include the recipient's name if you want it to feel more personal. For an e-gift, enter the recipient's email address carefully. Double-check the spelling so it arrives correctly. You can also add a short message to make the gift more thoughtful. When you're ready to pay, use cash in-store if that's convenient, or use a credit or debit card. Online purchases typically accept major cards as well. Review your order before you submit payment to make sure the type, amount, and recipient details are correct. Finally, receive the gift card. In-store, you'll get the physical card immediately. Online, e-gift cards are sent to the email address you provided, often within minutes, while mailed cards are shipped to the address you entered. Keep your confirmation email, and if you chose an e-gift, remind the recipient to check their inbox and spam folder just in case. That's it. You've successfully purchased a Chipotle gift card.